Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important job opportunity for the freshers as well as 2025 pass outs and other batch. So first important hiring from the IBM. They are hiring for digital sales specialist intern, and these are the job location: Mumbai, Gurgaon, Bangalore, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Haryana and India. So you know about the IBM. So what will be your roles and responsibilities? So your job title will be the digital sales specialist intern, and these are the job locations, and this is the hybrid mode. Okay, area of work: you will work on the cloud technology, and your roles and responsibility will be this: that you will involve in digital sales strategy, lead generation and prospecting, consultative selling and other. You can go through it. So who are eligible? So required education is master degree, and required technical and professional expertise close to graduating from STEM MBA program no earlier than 2027. Means you should have background with MBA. Okay, so if what who are the preferred candidates? So those who have done BE, BTech and with MBA background, they are eligible for this important hiring. So if you are interested for this important job opportunity, you can apply. Next important opportunity from the Texas Instrument. They are hiring software engineer and job location is Bangalore. So this is also one of the good company, and you can see they are helping more than 1 lakh customer. Okay, so this is a good company. So what will your roles and responsibilities? So you will design, develop and test device driver, optimize device driver, collaborate with cross functional team and other. You can go through it. So what are the required expertise for this? So you should have bachelor degree in computer science, electrical engineering or related field, and 1+ year of experience in embedded software development with focus on device driver. Means if you have some experience or some working knowledge with the embedded systems, then you are eligible for this. And programming language C, C++, assembly, and these are the roles and responsibility. Okay, so if you are interested, you can apply for this. And friends, if you want to schedule your mock interview, then you can schedule with us, and lots of selection is going on from our end, and we will basically help you to prepare for the original interview. Next important from the Harris JBS. They are hiring software engineer, and this is a full-time role. So what will be your responsibilities? You will work a key member of R&D team. So R&D is a good process, so you should apply if you are eligible. So must have core Java, JSP servlet, Tomcat, SQL server. Good to have CSS handling, multi-browser application, RESTful web API. So if you are interested in all this tech stack and you have some knowledge, then I will suggest you should apply with that. No experience is required, they clearly mention. So 2025 batch, 2024 all are eligible. Next important hiring from the Inflex Solutions post. They are hiring for software developer and job location is Coimbatore. So this is also freshers friendly drive. If you are interested, you can share your resume to this CB. Makes your friend. Lots of candidates are saying that I am sending the CV or resume, but it not get been selected because you are not properly optimizing your resume according to the job description. You should optimize or redefine your resume according to the job description. Then only there is a chance of shortlisting of your resume. So be careful before applying to any job. Next important hiring, they are hiring for the network engineer level 1, and if you have some experience, then you can apply for this important opportunity. Next important hiring, and that they are hiring full stack developer intern. So this is your intern position. So 2026 as well as 2025 batch are eligible to apply for this. So if you have knowledge in this, you can apply. So what will you do? You will build enhanced web application, work closely with senior developer on live project. So if you are interested, you can share your resume to this mail ID. Hope informative to you. I regularly post lots of important job opportunity in my YouTube channel. Currently Capgemini hiring going on, and Amazon hiring, another important hiring, Wipro hiring going on. So if you want, you can subscribe us. This will be really helpful for you in getting or in knowing about the job opportunity. कोई भी query feel free to ask here, comment here. I will be very happy to help you. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.